Hi, Paula here from Shakespeareschin. This is a recipe I saw on Facebook for a microwave chocolate cake in a cup, and I thought, well, I just have to give it a go really, just to see what it's like. Just grab yourself a mug, and in that mug you want 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Give the dry ingredients a little mix around. And then when that's mixed, you want a little dash of vanilla extract, about half a teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of milk, followed by 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then crack 1 egg into there and give it all a very good mix together. Make sure you get right down to the bottom of the cup to make sure you incorporate all the ingredients together. And when it's all smooth and nicely mixed, you want to pop it into your microwave on a high power for 3 minutes. Once it starts to rise, it rises. Oh, look! Oh my goodness! Oh, it's going to take over my house. I must say I was quite worried at this point. Good Lord! But it's fine. I'm not holding much hope for this, I must admit. It's going to be as rubbery as anything, I'm sure. Oh, we're done. Resistance. Oops. So there you have it, microwave cake in a cup. Personally, I don't like the idea of it. As Whitney would say, let me know what you think. Do you think you'll give it a go? If you want to make a proper chocolate cake, click on my hand, as if by magic, by the gift of the link. And I think you'll be much more pleased with that one. And yes, until next time, bye bye. So if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button there, and check out some other recipes that I have which may be of interest, including the recipe for a conventional chocolate cake. Until next time, bye bye.